So what we've got here is a car charger for Mavic Air 2 drone batteries. Okay. This is for 2 batteries. That's for 2 batteries. Okay. It fits nice and tight. Okay. Has a quite nice finish. So let's go in the car and see how much time it will take to charge the 2 batteries in the vehicle. Let's go. Sorry about the mess. My car is not very clean, but okay. Sorry guys, I don't have much time to clean my car. Sorry. So we have 2 Mavic Air 2 batteries connected on charger, and the charger is connected to cigarette lighter. Let's see how much. Okay, we have about 50% of battery. The same here. Now let's turn the ignition key. That goes to green, and now red. And we have 2 batteries charging simultaneously at the same time. And there's also a USB connection here, so you can charge your smartphone, iPhone, tablet, maybe your remote control of your Mavic Air 2, I don't know. And that's it. You can see the green light. That means our batteries are fully charged. Okay, that's it.